Welcome to the story of the magical spinning airplane, his invisible friends and the wise man. The crazy spinning airplane travels from far away towards us. Do you hear it already? As the space around the airplane is so empty, friends of the airplane were thinking, it would be nice to have a picture showing some green trees and other plants behind the airplane, so they could enjoy the airplane's turns in a splendid ambience. They got a picture showing the inside of a greenhouse. And they silenced the motor's noise. But after a while, one of the friends was saying, it would be nice when the picture behind the airplane could move also. So it happened that the picture of the greenhouse started rocking back and forth, albeit without making noise. A friend of the airplane was saying, "What is the matter with you? Why you are no longer turning steadily around?" The airplane was replying that it did nothing differently than beforehand, but his friend insisted, "From time to time you are almost stopping, and I will say you when."
Stopping. Stopping. Stopping.
Another friend was saying, "There are no complete stops what we are perceiving, it is rather an intermittent motion freeze."
Freezing. 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 Freezing.
However, the airplane said, "Nonsense, I am turning always steadily around. If you do not believe me, look from the side." So they turned airplane and greenhouse clockwise to view it from their right side. Friends were astonished. "Oh wow, what the airplane is saying is correct. It is turning steadily and continuously around its body axis, there is no motion freeze." Let's turn airplane and greenhouse slowly back to their former position. What the heck, as the airplane is hovering even only partly over the greenhouse, it no longer rotates steadily. Beside freezing intermittently, the airplane also is hopping up and down. The friends put airplane and greenhouse back to their original orientation. As the friends are seeing the airplane from the front, they were saying, "Look, the airplane is no longer hopping up and down, but still periodically freezing. A wise man among the airplane's friends was saying, maybe it's not the airplane which is at fault for not turning steadily, maybe that our brain is deceiving us. Let's make another test. I can make the right half of the greenhouse image transparent. Here, the part of the airplane flying over the transparent side of the greenhouse appears to spin steadily, whereas the part over the opaque greenhouse appears as slowing down intermittently. The wise man was saying, here we have still another proof that our brain is deceiving us. It is impossible that at the same time an airplane is turning steadily at the right side and is changing its speed at the left side over the greenhouse. The airplane did not like the halved greenhouse. Therefore, the whole greenhouse picture behind it was restored. The wise man was saying that the apparent intermittent slowing down of the airplane when we are looking from the front, but not from the side, is an illusion, something that we believe that we are seeing it, but that does not exist in reality, something that is related to our brain's inner working. The brain compares the airplane's turning speed and direction with the turning speed and direction of its surround, the greenhouse. Generally, if something is turning in the same direction as the surround, our brain decreases the speed by a given amount, otherwise it increases it. Here, there is a special case, where our brain makes us believe that the spinning airplane is stopping, freezing, whenever both the airplane and the greenhouse are turning in the same direction. The particular illusion we perceive here was discovered in 2004 and given the name freezing rotation illusion. The freezing rotation illusion only occurs when the average angular speed of the surround is about twice the speed of the airplane.